This is freetradingvideos.com, where traders are smart and education is free. D7 here, taking a look at the markets and a few chosen stocks, those of interest to me. This is the last day, trading day and day of 2007. Looking at the Dow here, Dow Jones, we had this nice uptrend going up, then we stopped short from hitting this line up here. Now we have a pitching pattern. This is a symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangles can be bullish or bearish. We are on the lower side of the moving averages. That makes it more bearish at this moment than bullish. But as long as we stay above this support line, we could bounce back up and then crack to the upside or break down through this to the downside. Let's take a look at the SPX. This is the Standards & Poor's S&P 500. Same pinching pattern, same symmetrical triangle. We are below the moving averages. If it breaks lower, we could really fall here. And if we break to the upside, we can make some ground. This is, these symmetrical triangles can be bullish or bearish. So anyway, just keep an eye on these two. And while we're at it, let's just take a look at the NASDAQ. Now the NASDAQ, hit the floor, ceiling, floor, almost made it to the ceiling again. This one didn't go into this triangle pattern between these two lines like the Dow and the S&P did. This one blew through, but now is pulling back. Now this area that should have acted as support here, it did pierce it. Now we're below the 20-day, so a little bearish also on the NASDAQ. Now while we're at it, let's look at the Russells. Russell's hit its head here, busted through, and then came right back down. So, and it's dropping pretty good also. So anyway, everything's looking pretty bearish closing out the year. Let's look at a couple stocks here. Here's CF. CF, I happen to be in this one, running up. I'm just going to hold through the pullback. We should have a bounce here at support, or maybe sooner. Let's take a look at DRYS. This one I'm in, coming down, we had this pinching pattern between these two lines. We popped through on nice volume, and we're pulling back. The line that was acting as resistance in these areas is now acting as support. So I'll hold back through a little pullback here if if the markets get weak on me. But I expect this one to go higher ground. It's very fundamentally sound. But check this guy out. This is GOOG. This is one of the most beautiful symmetrical triangles you ever see. Very nice. And what's nice about this one is it looks to be more bullish than bearish, because we're finding 700 to be a support area. And we're above the 20-day and the 50-day moving average. That's nice. On the MACD, we're above the zero line. That's also nice. So anyway, this one has a better chance, technically speaking, going up than going down, but this can go either direction. And just be careful with this one. It moves, it can move. It could jump up here to 750 pretty fast, or it could drop down here to 650, probably more 625 pretty fast. So just watch this one closely. Anyway, that's it for now. Looking for a fantastic 2008. Let this be a year that you educate yourselves, and let this be a year that you become more solid, more mature, more well-rounded traders. Be a smart trader. Be out there playing defensively and make more profits this year than you ever have before. Wish everyone the best of luck and the most blessed of 2008, and as one could ask for.